A new study shows that teens with depression are more likely to use e-cigarettes. And if you find an error in your medical bill, it might be worth the time to try to get it fixed.
Fox 43's Amy Lutz has those stories and more in this week's Health Wrap Report.
A food safety advocate wants Congress to investigate Boar's Head over a recent listeria bacteria outbreak. The Department of Agriculture found dozens of health and safety violations at a Boar's Head plant in Virginia from January of 2022 to August of this year. The recent listeria outbreak has led to at least 9 deaths and 57 other people getting sick. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says it's the largest listeria outbreak since 2011. A new study published in the JAMA Health Forum found if you challenge a medical bill, there's a chance you'll get a discount. Around 1 in 5 people say they've received a bill they could not afford. Researchers looked at data for more than 1,000 Americans, and around 1 in 4 people who reached out had their bill corrected. Around 1 in 7 received a price drop or were offered a payment plan. Nearly 75% of people who said there was an error had the mistake corrected. The research indicates although many people think calling about a bill is just too time-consuming, it still may be worth it after all. And depressed teens are more likely to self-medicate with e-cigarettes. That's according to a survey in the Australian and New Zealand Journal of Psychiatry. Researchers tracked the vaping rates and mental health data of more than 5,000 12-year-old students in Australia. Kids who said they have moderate levels of stress were more than 70% likely to vape, and vaping was most likely among teens who said their well-being was low versus those who had a higher sense of self. The findings mirror studies done in other countries, including here in the U.S. And that's a look at your Health Smart Wrap. Amy Lutz, Fox 43 News.